let's do the photos of the week.
I want the viewer to reflect on their inner self, on their life, past, present, and future. Chiharu Shiota. Okay, well, we started off the photos of the week at Te Papa here in Wellington. Bear in mind, we did absolutely nothing this week apart from this. We went to this exhibition. It's part of Te Papa's permanent collection, installation art by Chiharu Shiota. And this one's called The Web of Time, and it really was quite cool. It kind of made me think of a smoggy, smoky London night. I've never been to London. But yeah, sure, it looked like the universe. Back to infinity and... It's pretty cool. I'd recommend to get along to it at Te Papa in Wellington. It's there till November this year, so you got time on your side. It's going to be pretty popular, everybody looking to get the shots, such as these. What a wonderful shot. Warmed this one up a bit. All the fives. And yeah, it really was quite fascinating. The further it pushed back into the web, the darker it became. And then we had a look at the rest of the toy art gallery, which is also in Te Papa. And it's quite cool. It's definitely worth checking out. There's lots of nice artworks in there. Really well lit. I love the lighting on that piece. Really interesting indeed. Hey, there's a few Colin McCanns in there as well. And also a Ralph Hotter there? Was it Frank? Ralph? Oh. But yeah, these were pretty cool. So we just got a few shots while we were in there. Just checking out the pieces. And it was pretty laid back, you know. There weren't so many people there. We could have a good look around. Chilled. Mind you, we got there at 10 o'clock on the dot when they open. Who opens at 10 o'clock? Half the day's gone. What's wrong with 6:30? I'm just joking. This here, in fact, is the hotere I was talking about before. Pretty simple. And on that day, Bells was shooting with the M50 with the Canon EOS 18-135, f3.5 to 5.6. Ah yes, STM. I really like the selfie wall. Man, there were heaps and heaps of selfies on there. I couldn't recognize anybody. I thought I recognized one. But I'm not sure where they all came from. I guess I've scraped Instagram or something like that. And let's finish off. We'll leave you with this. Share the love, people. It's 2021. Make it a great year. Have a good one. That was the photos of the week. We'll catch you next time. Bye.